Oh no, I forgot my wallet.
Oh dear, that happens.
I am so embarrassed right now.
Please do not worry.
What do I do now?
Can you pay by phone?
Can I use my phone?
Yes, Apple Pay works.
I have Apple Pay.
Great. Try it now.
Is the reader ready?
Yes, tap right here.
It is not working.
Try again slowly, please.
Still not working. Why?
Maybe no internet connection?
Oh no, what now?
Do you have card?
Card is in my wallet.
Is wallet at home?
Yes, at home. So far.
Can someone bring it?
My husband is at work.
Can he come quickly?
He is very far away.
Do not panic, please.
I feel so embarrassed.
Really, it is fine.
Everyone is watching me.
No one is watching.
Can I leave items here?
Yes, I will hold.
How long can you hold?
Until end of day.
Really? That is very kind.
Of course, no problem.
Can I go home quickly?
Yes, take your time.
Will items stay fresh?
Yes, we have fridge.
Is milk in my basket?
Yes, I see it.
Please keep milk cold.
Yes, I will refrigerate.
Thank you so much.
Happy to help you.
How far is the exit?
Just straight ahead there.
Is there a taxi outside?
Yes, usually some wait.
How long will I take?
Take as long as needed.
Can I leave my basket?
Yes, I have it safe.
Should I take a number?
No need, I remember you.
Do you have my receipt?
Not yet, pay first.
Right, silly question, sorry.
Do not apologize, please.
You are very understanding.
That is part of my job.
Has this happened before?
Yes, very often, actually.
Really? I feel better.
It happens to everyone.
Even to you?
Yes, even to me.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now go quickly.
Okay, I am going now.
Good luck getting back.
I will be back soon.
I will be here, waiting.
What is your name?
My name is Lisa.
Thank you, Lisa, so much.
You are welcome, always.
You saved my day, Lisa.
Go now. Come back.
I am back. So fast.
Wow, that was quick.
I ran all the way.
You must be tired.
Yes, very tired now.
Here is some water.
You are so kind.
Ready to pay now?
Yes, here is my wallet.
Great. Total is $20.
$20 exactly?
Yes. $20, please.
Here you go, Lisa.
Thank you very much.
Can I have my receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Everything is on receipt?
Yes, every item listed.
Is milk on there?
Yes, milk is there.
And bread too?
Yes, bread is there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Come back again soon.
I will definitely come back.
We are open daily.
What time do you open?
We open at 8.
And what time close?
We close at 10.
That is very convenient.
Yes, very convenient hours.
Do you have loyalty card?
Yes, it is free.
Can I sign up now?
Yes, just 1 minute.
What are the benefits?
Points on every purchase.
Can I use points today?
Not yet. Need more points.
How many points needed?
100 points minimum.
How do I earn faster?
Double points on weekends.
This weekend has double points?
Yes, starting tomorrow actually.
I will come back tomorrow.
Great. We will see you.
Thank you for everything today.
You were very brave.
Brave? I just panicked.
Panicking bravely still counts.
You are so funny, Lisa.
Have a great day.
You made my day better.
That is why I am here.
Goodbye, Lisa. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. See you then.